Welcome to Making Money Joke. Today I want to talk about awesome mortgage assistance opportunity to remove all the interest from mortgage. It's a plan that's been in the government and in the banking system for years and years and years. I don't know, 40 or 50 years. Forever. But they've kept it a secret, and the rich are the only ones that have been using it, big businesses, things like that. But now, this gentleman that has been in the mortgage industry for 40 years, he's ranked highest in the nation in sales, and he actually became a trainer, I think, in the mortgage system, nationally known. So he didn't know about it either. He found out about it, and as frustrating as he was, that when he found out about it, how many people, have paid 3 times for their house value in all this time when you didn't have to. So, yeah, he made millions through the years with these horrible mortgage plans. Where the different places that he worked, but now he wants to give back to our country and make this available, this knowledge available. So it's called the Heloc, and in this Heloc program, you can legally change your mortgage over. You don't have to reapply. You don't have to, you do have to apply, but you don't have to refinance. So your mortgage, I think, stays the same, if I understand it correctly. But when you open this Heloc account, which is a bank account attached to your mortgage, then they have to drop all the interest off of it. So you can wipe 5, 10, 20 years, depending on where you're at, in your mortgage. On average, people that join this program, they've already paid in, 5, 10, 15 years. So once you wipe all the interest off, they're left with only like 5 years. But the beauty of it, that is what is so incredible to me, besides paying off your home much earlier, is that because this bank account is attached to the house, whatever the house value is, let's say you wipe off all the interest, and you're left with $5,000 or $10,000 to pay for your house, and it's paid in full. But your house value is worth $100,000. So now your bank account is worth the same. So you can write checks all day long. Now that's not recommended because you still owe that to yourself back in your bank account. But in an emergency situation, fixing a car, or even for fun things, want to take a vacation, you can write yourself a check for $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, whatever is necessary or needed or wanted at the time, and your mortgage payment doesn't change. It's really an amazing opportunity to give someone financial freedom, paying their house off much sooner and having this equity value added to your bank account. Some people even use that extra equity value to invest in Bitcoin or other coins, or invest in other properties. And you can actually set up a Heloc for a new property. So So you won't be buying in from the beginning with being held responsible for all that finance charge. So the bank don't want you to know about it. So this gentleman that's been so gracious to set up a program called Switchview, and he's created an app with everything you could possibly need to share it with somebody, and for you yourself to learn about it. When you click on the savings side of it, it'll have an ebook to download, and as an affiliate you will be required to watch all the videos. There's 3 different sections, and download the ebook. And the ebook's not very long, it's just a few pages, and in the middle of one of the pages is a green button that says, I believe it says, speak to a consultant. So unless you click that button, nobody's going to contact you. Maybe a random email just to remind you that you've signed up for this, to encourage you to pursue it, whether on your own house or properties or just as an affiliate, because every time you refer someone into this, you make $1,000 if they sign up and change over to the Heloc program with their mortgage. You get $1,000. So of course you can bring in other affiliates, and you make a share of their sales as well. So it's really an incredible opportunity on a personal level to become your own bank if you can change over and use your own house. But if not, that's okay. You can still be an affiliate, and it's free. It's free to download the app. It's free to watch all the videos. They're very short, about 5 minutes. 3 different sections, and it's got like 3 to 5-minute videos under each one, just to educate you on everything about it. They do have a Facebook page where the owner, creator of Switchview, gives out some mentoring from time to time, and you can ask questions. And he's such a busy person, he don't like to be contacted directly unless you really need his help, but he's there. So I'd like you to take a look at it. If you're still watching this video, I believe it's an amazing opportunity. But because it's free, everything that he has set up for you, you have to find your first 2 customers. And then once you do that, you can, your first 2 or 3. Once you do that, then he has his own funnel program, because he is nationally connected with all the mortgages in America. He has access to every house, every mortgage. He's got the information. So he has created a funnel, a lead funnel. So once you do the couple of first ones on your own, then you are qualified to pay just $100 a month, and he will advertise to all these people your name for you. And when they click consultant, they'll get a consultant at his office. So you don't have to worry about finding the best funnel to set this up on, the best way to reach out and advertise this. All you do is pay the $100. He's got the funnel made, connected to all these mortgages. So he will send it out for you. His team will close the sale for you, and you'll just get an email and say that such and such person has signed up, and you will be expecting a check such and such a date for the $1,000. Very incredible, very incredible. Me stuck in an 18-wheeler for 22 years, I don't have any friends. My family's burnt out on all the different opportunities I've tried through the years, but they're only burnt out because they didn't join. And unfortunately, I haven't been able to find a way to advertise to get anybody else to either, but I only represent legit companies with great opportunities, great income possibilities. So I'm trying this YouTube now to hopefully finally change and be successful. Get the word out through YouTube. I really hope this works because I've tried every other kind of way of advertising. And if you're an affiliate and you've tried everything and not made sales, please comment, please email me, please text me, call me. My information will be in the description. Share your ideas as I share mine as I learn. That's why I'm here. I want to make the money I need to quit trucking, but also don't want to just take people's money on any kind of way. I want to give back something far greater in value than what it costs them to sign up with any opportunity with me. So, on a personal level, we should do this together. You don't have to do it alone. There's several opportunities I joined, and it showed me who, was my upline. And if I had a phone number and an address, email address for them, they don't respond. And that's so frustrating when that happens. If you come into any opportunity with me, I'm going to join with you shoulder to shoulder. We're going to do this together. I want to talk with those who join with me. I want to interact with them. I want to hear their ideas. I want to share my ideas. Let's improve our life. Not just our financial ability, but our life, in general, who we are to our family. And of course, when you experience financial freedom, you can do more for your family, and that eases a lot of problems that may exist, but there's still a lot of relationship things and just fighting the daily grind, of life, mental, physical, spiritual, all of that. I believe that God says we should love Him and love our neighbor. That's the New Testament commandment. And I believe that is because He intended, this world is designed for us to work together. We're not meant to do anything alone. So if you're tired of doing things alone and not getting anywhere, let's join together and make it happen together. There's a lot of affiliate training that are available, and I have found them anywhere from $39 all the way up to $30,000. So if you're needing training or wanting training, I can hook you up with some of the more affordable ones that I have found to be very useful. And I'm still going through them and growing myself. I believe that's a lifelong journey of growing and learning. So let's join together and do this together. And hopefully we can eventually get to where we're having live webinars and live YouTube sessions, where we're talking live with each other with several people all at one time. It's not necessary, to pay all that money to learn what you need to know. So instead of just going through video after video after video like I've been doing, driving myself crazy trying to learn what I need for free, I finally found some very affordable opportunities of training and mentoring that I can suggest. And if there's anything you can suggest, let's do that. I'm having to use YouTube because I don't have friends and family. I don't have a warm market. So I hope you will join me, and I can grow this thing and start giving back to the world, myself, giving back to my family, being more available for my family. So I guess we'll leave it. I guess guess I'll leave it at that for now. Please go to the description for the link to look at Switchview as an affiliate or as a customer. And the 3 videos, it's free to download, free to sign up. So even if just for education, go through the 3 sections and the 3 to 5 videos in each section. Very enlightening to me. Some of it's just financial training, trying to help you develop a budget, things like that. So this is really an incredible opportunity. I'm excited about it. I'd like you to take a look and share back with me your thoughts, and whether you're interested or not, what your questions may be, and let's get this done together. 89 days to my 50th birthday. I want to be home with my family, stay with my family. Please join me.